Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Orange Cat Industry, and this is your Tekkaman blade, and it's a very nice kit here. This is a 1/100 scale Tekkaman. Actually, this is not a 1/100. This is a non-grade or non-scale, but this is a very tall kit. Yep, this is very tall kit, and based on my knowledge about the Tekkaman anime, although I didn't watch any single episode of this is an armor, humanoid armor, something like that. So it's like a transformation. Then you'll be wearing this Tekkaman. It's like a Super Sentai transformation. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I didn't really watch and research more about Tekkaman, but I just like how the kit appears here. That's why I bought this immediately when I saw the kit. I just want to commend about the building process of this kit. This kit is really easy to build. Promise, this kit is very easy to build, unlike what one of the American collectors, Kakarot. Yep. Actually, I heard from him that I heard from Kakarot 147 or 157 whatsoever that this is a hand grenade. But no, this is not a hand grenade. It's very easy to build. Maybe his hand is like grenade. Clumsy hands for Americans. Anyway, it's a very good kit. I really like the appearance, the proportion, and the sharpness of this kit is very remarkable. And be careful, just be careful, because some of the plastic of this kit are brittle, especially the armor parts, and there we got this sharp points here which can cause injury when you build it because of the sharpness, so be careful. Okay, so let's go with the articulation of this kit. So the plastic, by the way, be careful, this is a bit brittle. So these are the early releases of Orange Cat Industry, so the plastics are not that sturdy and brittle, but it's very nice, very easy to build. Okay, let's go with the head. So the head has this very good proportion and color separation. By the way, this kit doesn't have any stickers, which is very interesting. I really like that. Okay, so the head can rotate almost 360 degrees. It can look up and look down like that. The eyes are not stickers, these are clear green plastic, and the arms or the shoulder can move forward like that. Can do some chicken pose like that, rooster posing like that. And okay, so it can rotate 360 degrees, but there's a very stiffness happening on the joints here, especially the shoulder joints, so be careful. So I don't like forcing it up, because I didn't play with this kit for so long, so I will not do that. I will not sacrifice the kit. Anyway, it can rotate 360 degrees, and the arms here, let's go here with the right arm. So the elbows can bend like that. It's a double jointed elbow, it can bend up to this far. Yep. And there the hands, I customize it with the Dallin decal hands, so Dallin decal claw type hands here, because originally the hands for this kit is somehow having a claw. So good thing Dalen Decal Hands has this equivalent type of hand. So this is a claw type hand, the articulated one. Okay, so the right arm here is plain, and while the left arm you can apply shield. So there's a shield port connector there. So this is the shield, and there's a two placement for the shield. So this is the first one. You can place it in the left arm, and the other one you can remove this and provide different piece with peg there. So this can be placed on the butt. Okay, but I much like this shield here to be on the left hand or arm. Okay, so this is the Volteker attack here. So in the shoulder armor, you need to unlock this first. Okay, you need to move this down and open the hatches on the shoulder armor, and this will be your Volteker attack. Yep. In the anime and in the clips, I saw that this emit lasers, and yep, there can kill the enemies, pew, like that, and very nice. And it has this very cool weapon there, the Volteker. Okay, and there you need to close this like that. Okay, so the legs here is very loose. I don't know why it became loose, especially the joint here. So the right leg here is a bit stiff, but the left, yep, oops, be careful, just be careful with that. Okay, the left leg, it's very a bit loose, but be careful when doing the split, because this point here might collide with this structure here, the white structure, and it might break the pointy part there. Also here on the right side, you need to be careful. It might break the pointy part point like that. Okay, so the legs can kick up to this far. Yep, can kick up to this far, and the knees can bend like this, and it's not double jointed. It's not a double jointed bend. Ah no, it's double jointed, sorry. So it can bend like that, but be careful. There's this splitting apart thing here. Okay, so let's put this knee armor there, knee cap there. Okay, and the hands, or rather the feet, can do movement like this. Can swivel side to side, but be careful. This is very weak here. I can sense some resistance there, and that's it. Okay, there. There's also a movement here in the thighs. Can somehow rotate like that, like this. Fuck those politicians in the background. They're campaigning here in the Philippines, but I don't care. I will not vote for those politicians. Anyway, that's it. The waist can rotate like that. Can rotate 360 degrees, but be careful. You might bump with the other structures, which can cause breakage on some structure. Anyway, it's like that. Okay, the weapons handheld weapons here, we got this blade here. You have the option if you want to connect this like this, but I lose the part where it can be joined together. So anyway, I might do some modification on this handle here to be hold or to be carried easily by the Dalindical hands. And there we got a size comparison with the Soul Tekkaman. So this is different Tekkaman, and this is the melee or agile Tekkaman, and this is the range version Tekkaman, bulky one. So the bulky one here looks much more like a mobile suit from Gundam. It looks like a mobile suit compared with this one here. This is much humanoid armor, although this is also humanoid armor. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this short video review for the Tekkaman Blade. And Skimmerman from Skimmerman Gunpla Studio saying God bless, take care, and goodbye. Masalamat paalam sa inyong lahat. And if you're going to buy this. This is a good kit. This is very easy kit to build. It's not hand grenade. And I think there's the Tekkaman, other version of Tekkaman, this with the wings or flaps on the back. Buy that also. So thank you so much. Goodbye. And see you next time.